Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fade in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys on your phone, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to add the fade effect to our tracks in Bandlab. The first thing you want to do is click the plus button right here at the bottom part of the screen in the middle. That's going to open up this page right here where we can get started with either importing a file, recording our voice, and so on. So basically open up your track in your studio. So I'm going to open up this track right here that I have, and after opening it up guys, it's going to open up the studio like this, where you can see your track and now can get started with adding effects. So basically guys, what we want to do to be able to add the fade is the following. So go ahead and click the FX button next to the name of your track. So you can see at the top, here's the name of our track. Click on FX, and this is now going to open up this new menu where we can get started with looking for FX options for our track. So basically guys, what you want to do is go ahead and get started playing all of the effects right here. Get started playing with them, testing it out, see what works the best for you. You can find some really good effects that are going to give you the fade effect, and you can use the search button in the upper right corner and search for fade, and it's going to go ahead and give you the filter delay option and so on. So you have a lot of options for testing out and adding to your vocals. That's going to go ahead and give you the fade effect, so you want to play with that until you find the combination that works for you. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.